So this is the last video in the build of the sliding drawer thing for the basement storage on my fifth wheel. A couple things we got to do is just drill a few holes, sand it down real smooth, grind it down. That way the sliding mechanism works really easily. And then pretty much paint it, throw it in there. Got to cut a piece of wood for the drawer bottom, but that's easy. So let's get it done. Sun's going down, we're losing daylight, but paint's drying on the frame and the slider part. So this is the OSB that I'm going to use, at least for now. We'll see. I might change it for something else later on, but I might just use this, maybe put some linoleum on top of it or something. But anyway, I've got my rough shape cut out here, so I'm going to use the old DeWalt saw here to cut it out. Hopefully it's the right size. I hope. I measured it. We'll see. As you know, I'm just winging it, so we'll see what happens. Okay. See if our don't do that. Well, looking pretty good. I don't have it clamped down, so I'm not going to try to pull it out too far, but yeah, it's pretty dang good. Slides easy. Still got to tighten up all the nuts on these bolts here, but yeah, it's good. Now we just got to throw it in the fifth wheel and screw it down. We are all done, y'all. This is the last time we should be taking stuff out of the fifth wheel to put the drawer in, and we can put all of our stuff back on, and we've got a perfectly functioning drawer, hopefully. We'll see. So let's get this stuff out of here. So I didn't film the last minute or so of me fitting this thing in here because it was a little awkward, kind of heavy. Fits great. A little bit of luck, a lot of luck. I'll show you. So there it is. It's not screwed down yet, but look at the angle in there. It's literally touching both walls. It's perfectly square. And a little bolt in the middle there, that's kind of a temporary solution to keep it from sliding out too far, but there it is. It's solid. It's good to go. Just got to screw it down. We're done. Well, there it is. Bolted in. Had to drill the holes out a little bit where I get my screwdriver and stuff through it. But there you go. Rolls out pretty easy. I think it's plenty strong enough. So one of the things that I like the most about doing it this way is, aside from just making it custom so it fits just right and all that, is now I can add to it later. So if I wanted to make some kind of a rack, so I can put camping chairs up high and have it where my rug or whatever slides up underneath them. Still have plenty of room where you can kind of stack things on top of each other without actually having to just tote everything out every time you want to do something. So I'm really, really happy with the way it turned out. Not gonna need a latch for it because the way it lines up right there to the door, I mean, it is right inside the door frame. So, and I don't think it's gonna slide around too much. If it does, I can always just drop a pin or something right in there. Just drill a hole and drop a pin. That way it literally won't go anywhere. But we're done. So like I said, keep up with me. We'll keep on building stuff. Just take it from there. Y'all take it easy.